look at the little one. See the spots on it? That's the one I showed you last night. Oh, there's Mama right there. Baby's eating. Oh, oh, you want an apple, baby? Come here, look. Come on, you want an apple? Come on. There's a little baby walking away. The baby was sucking on Mama, and I guess she didn't like that. At least not right here anyway. Oh man, you guys are like right. Oh man, I love it. Yeah, she's like inches away from the camera. This is just not even zoomed up or nothing. This is just great. It's just that close. Here's my hand. And look. See? I can touch their chins and stuff. They got whiskers on their, like around the bottoms of their mouth. This one does. Yeah. Buttons. There you go. That's Mama. This is Necklace. That one back there is Buttons. And Mr. 4 Points is in here. Okay, that's it. You want to lick the bowl, huh? You guys want to lick the bowl?